So this video is a little personal. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do something different and I'm going to talk about me. And also I'm going to say it in Spanish so you can learn a few things about me while learning some Spanish. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. I want to give a shout out to Ismael Sedok. Thank you so much for getting a membership on this channel. And if you're interested in getting a membership on this channel and support this channel greatly, you can do that by clicking on the join button down below. Also, I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. There are different perks when getting memberships. So there are like 3 different ones. And yeah, they're quite interesting. So take a look. Take a moment. Take a look. So let's get started. I have read your comments and I noticed that a lot of people ask things about me, especially I get the question, where are you from? So today I'm going to tell you where I'm from and 10 things, or yeah, that's one thing out of 10 things that I'm going to let you know about me, things about Sugar Astronaut. Okay, so let's see the first one. The first thing about me, número uno, soy zurda. Soy zurda. And do you know what that means? This means I'm left-handed. Yes, I am left-handed. And yeah, I love that. I love that. I don't know. Everything is different when you're left-handed. The world is mostly for right-handed people. Is being designed for right-handed people. But yeah, I'm left-handed. Soy zurda. And yeah, that's one thing about me. And yeah, I love being left-handed for sure. Número 2. Amo tocar la guitarra. Amo tocar la guitarra. I love playing guitar. As you can see back here, I have some guitars and I've always loved playing guitar. Since I was really young, I used to play some guitar, because I love the sound of it, and especially the electric guitar is amazing. I just love that for sure. So yeah, amo tocar la guitarra. Now you know 2 things about me. The third thing about me is, or número 3, odio los dulces. Odio los dulces. I hate candy. Everything that is sweet, I just don't like it. I don't like cakes. I don't like pies. I don't like candy. I don't like desserts. I hate candy or sweets. Odio los dulces. Yeah. And since I was a little girl, yeah, I was a weird little girl, I didn't like candy. So I liked other things, and you will see what I used to eat, or what I eat a lot in a few seconds. You will see that. Okay, so that was número 3. Número 4. This is a good one. Soy vegana desde hace 15 años. Soy vegana desde hace 15 años. I'm vegan for 15 years. So yeah, I'm not it's a little weird. And by the way, this is not leather, it's a faux leather jacket. Yeah. So I've been vegan for 15 years, a long time. For several reasons: health, for the planet, for ethics. I've been a vegan for 15 years, and I like it. I haven't had any problems. I get enough protein, I get enough nutrients, and there are a lot of misconceptions about vegan people and veganism in general. But yeah, that's another story. Soy vegana desde hace 15 años. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, número 5. Me encanta la comida picante. Me encanta la comida picante. I love spicy food. Yes, I like to eat spicy food. I love to eat hot peppers and everything that is spicy, hot sauces and all of that. I'm really into that. I really like spicy food for sure. So that was number 5. Número 5. Número 6. Soy casada. As you can see here, soy casada. I am married. Yes. And I'm happily married for a few years already. Yeah. Quite a few years already. Yeah. Soy casada. I'm married. Yeah. That's number 6. Número 7. Me gusta el karaoke. Me gusta el karaoke. I love karaoke. Yes, I know. Yeah, but I just love because I like music, I play guitar, and I also love karaoke. So yeah, I love that. Maybe one day I could sing for you and play my guitar. So stay tuned. Okay, that was number 7. And sadly, I don't have too many friends that like karaoke. So yeah, it's like I don't know, a lonely, guilty pleasure for me. But yeah, I love karaoke. I don't care what other people think about that. Okay, número 8. Tengo un podcast. I have a podcast. Yes. Tengo un podcast, and yeah, I'm gonna share with you a few seconds of this podcast. And I just can't believe I have to say this again, because it's not something that I'm proud of. Not because it's bad, just because it's like, oh, come on, really? Like, that guilty pleasure is so stupid. But one of my guilty pleasures is that I love, or I used to love, Backstreet Boys. Yeah, Backstreet Boys was for me like that guilty pleasure, I have a podcast with my husband. You can watch videos on this channel. The channel is We Humans Podcast. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below if you want to subscribe to that channel. It's in English. I know this is a channel about learning Spanish, but if you're interested in just watching a podcast, I have a podcast. So yeah, you can find the link in the video description down below. Okay. Número 9. Mi idioma natal es español. Mi idioma natal es español. My native language is Spanish. Yes. That's my first language. I know Spanish since I was a little baby. So yeah. If you were wondering if I was from, I don't know, some other country where people speak a different language, nope, I am not from another country like that. Mi idioma natal es español. And also I know English. I know Spanish and English, but yeah, mi idioma natal es español. My native language is Spanish. And number 10, or número 10. Nací en México. Yeah, nací en México. I was born in Mexico. I am from Mexico. I am a proud Mexican. So yeah, if you were wondering, you know now, I'm from Mexico. And Mexico is amazing. Mexico is a great place. I love that country for sure. I gotta say, it's been a while since I went to Mexico. I was born in Mexico, but I don't live in Mexico. I many years ago, I moved to a different country. I will tell you more about that if you're interested. But yeah, I was born in Mexico, but I don't live in Mexico since who knows when. It's been a long time. But yeah, Mexico is amazing. And that it's an incredible country. And another thing that I would like to say is that even though I'm from Mexico, I don't have an accent. I don't have a Mexican accent. Since I was a little girl, I was told to not get any accents, to not have I don't know, like any accents, because in Mexico there's so many accents. Different people talk in different ways. They still speak Spanish, but they talk in, they have their accents and whatnot. But since I was a little girl, I was told not to get any accent, not to pronounce things in certain way. So that's why my Spanish is very neutral. I don't have an accent. A lot of people from Mexico and other countries or other Latin American countries, they ask me, where are you from? Because I don't hear an accent. So that's why when I teach Spanish, I don't do any accents. I don't have any accent, because you can learn Spanish and have no accents. You can have your English accent or something like that. That's fine. But yeah, the Spanish I speak doesn't have any accent. So yeah, you're learning a Spanish that has no accent, and it can be understood anywhere pretty much. Okay? Well, I hope you like this video. Now you know more things about me. I'm really glad that you're interested about me. I mean, it feels nice. It feels nice. And yeah, if you would like me to do more videos like this one, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to get a membership on this channel, you can just click on the join button down below, and you can't just get one membership. There are different types of memberships. That helps a lot this channel. It helps create future lessons and just supports this channel greatly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I just said that. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.